Okay guys, tapos na tayo sa atin na 3 oras na trabaho as a consultant to the owner of the project. Therefore, I am heading home right now. Tatlong oras tayo magbibigay ng instruction sa contractor as well as mag-estimate ng materialis na gamitin, because right now we are doing the rope slab, including the rope beams. So I have provided him the measurement, the distances, the correct concrete cover of the beam and the slab, the number of slab reinforcement to be used, including the number of the beams, steel reinforcement. At nang bigay tayo ng reference sa concrete column kung magkano yung distances na iangat nila para sa rope slab. So the place where I came from is at the back of Sabana Villa, where the owner proposed to build 8 villas and 1-story condominium. Medyo stricto ng konti dahil OSHA representative, I met her last Tuesday and question if there is ongoing construction work inside the fence, but luckily the gate was closed, so I have reasoned out that there is no ongoing work right now, because I know that some of my men are not using complete PPA. Therefore, I have to lie. Dahil pag alam ng OSHA na walang safety officer for the meantime at PPE of my men is not complete, i-shut down yung trabaho. So this is one of my exploration experience right here in Trinidad. While I am doing my profession as a civil engineer, at the same time I am exploring different places of Trinidad. Dahil anytime I have to go back home in the Philippines for my family. Therefore, I took for granted the situation right here and the way how I experience the construction work right here in Trinidad. climate here in Trinidad is almost the same in the Philippines, with a maximum hot temperature of 36 degrees centigrade, while in the Philippines the maximum is 32 to 34. This is normal, normal temperature. Not like what we have experienced last year, or probably like starting January 2024 until May, na napakainit, and then binagyo agad. They have only 2 seasons right here, summer and rainy season. The only thing which is good here ay malimit lang sila magkaroon ng lindol, at pag mayroon lang naman, a matter of seconds lang, at saka parang aftershock lang, at wala silang typhoon or hurricane dito. So malapit na tayo, guys. One more left turn and sa apartment na tayo. So here I am, guys. Dito na tayo. Once again, thank you for watching, and God bless.